In this video, I'll show you how to create a meal plan with Claude AI. This is a quick way to plan your meals for the week based on your preferences. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a meal plan. For example, I might type, "Create a 7-day meal plan for healthy eating." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a meal plan, usually including breakfast, lunch, and dinner for each day. If I want a more personalized plan, I can include more details in my prompt, such as diet type, calorie goals, or food preferences. For example, I might type, "Create a 7-day vegetarian meal plan with high-protein meals." Claude can also help add grocery lists or meal prep tips to make the plan more useful. Once the meal plan is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it to plan my meals for the week. And that's it, I've successfully created a meal plan using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.